Hi guys, alright, so welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get my hair done. Y'all know that's the vibes right now. Anyways, listen guys, remember my store is located in Pomo, right? You know, I have a store that I sell hair, skin lightening products, slippers, you name it, every little thing. Hair products, skin product, every little thing. Alright, so anyways, there is a salon in the back of the store. That's where I am right now. So in the salon, I'm gonna get my hair done today. A girl, I got doll up and look nice, cause a long time I not do that. Alright, so anyways, the ear medal, I got it from Nadula, right? This is the company. This is the company name, and this is the packaging. So let's get right into it. So Nadula sent your girl a hair, yeah. And we're gonna unbox it. So inside it's gonna open like this, and it's a two-toned way.
I said, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
It's not a two-toned way. Laugh about the box and go over about that. You come like you mad and your tongue a twist. Are you alone there saying no? What happened? Get into it. Nadula send your girl a hair. Yeah, we're gonna get her hair done today, and we're gonna open it. So it's like a brown color. I always wanted this color. This is the hair. This is the tone of the hair. And it's a transparent lace. And we're going to get what's inside the box so far. I got an ear scarf. I guess it's supposed to be a scarf. This is absolutely cool, cute. I love that. That's so cute. And in this one, this is what's in it. So I got some cute little press-on. These are so thoughtful. So these are press-ons. I got my HD with cap, and this is 2 cap in it. I got elastic with band. I absolutely love this. This is the first time getting a package like this. Let's get into it. So this is the hair, guys, and it's a 13 by 14 transparent lace wig, and it also tells you that the hair is disinfected, yeah, and where it's made. So in the ear bag that we got right here, I got this is the tape, and I guess it can be like glueless wig, and we get extra strap where we can add to the back of the wig, I guess. So and this is the color of the wig. This is a kinky wig, by the way. This is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you. And it is so soft. The ear is so soft. Guys, soft. It's pre-plucked, where you can see that it's already pre-cut. Also, the density feels so good. Yeah, the density feels so good. This is absolutely gorgeous. And we do have a comb around here. We have extra tapes part here where you can do like that. So in the back, you know, you have the simple little hook where you just put the ear in and go. I'm not sorry, okay. I was trying to okay then. I don't get what's going on. I look like you can't hook so. Anyway, you cannot hook. I know this is supposed to be glueless. Put it on my skin. It matched my skin already. This is easy to go. So let's get into it right now.
Body, better girl, don't try. Mama, quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild and I now run. School bus. Run and run, panny magic school bus. Boom, boom, panny magic school bus. Run and run, panny magic school bus.
Yo, Prince.
Mama, quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild and I now run. Boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Body, better girl, don't try. Mama, quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild and I now run. Skin out, mad out, get wild and I now run. Boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama, bumper, I go round and round, round and round, round and round. Mama, bumper, I go round and round. All through that town. Cocky knocking at your pum pum wall. Tell a waste man, say him can't get chance. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama come in my room, make me fly away Jaws. Me say come dash. I me say come dash. I me say come. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Body, better girl, don't try. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go round